I have a question for you that when you go to the shop or order online a smartphone, how you inspect the phone? By price or by qualities? If you want to check electric yard suggestions, then we highly recommend to check the qualities of device because money is not the guarantee, quality is a guarantee. So according to quality analysis, we have brutal recommendation for you, which is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Starts from performance, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra redefines performance with its cutting-edge processor and RAM combination. Its seamless multitasking, lighting, fast app launches, and fluid game experiences showcase its pros as a true performance powerhouse. Users can expect top-tier performance for all their demanding tasks. The camera setup of Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is nothing short of remarkable, boasting advanced sensors, sophisticated AI enhancement, and unparalleled zoom capabilities. It delivers breathtaking photography and videography experiences. From low-light shots to ultra-detailed zoom, this device sets new benchmarks for smartphone photography. Crafted with precision and elegance, the Galaxy S23 Ultra design is a seamless fusion of aesthetics and functionality. Its stunning display features vibrant colors and exceptional clarity, coupled with ergonomic design, provides an impressive viewing experience. The redefined design language elevates both style and comfort. The device battery life is commendable, offering extended usage without compromising performance. Moreover, its fast charging capabilities ensure minimal downtime, providing users with convenience of quick recharges to keep up with their busy schedules. The user experience on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is user-friendly. The interface is sleek, responsive, and packed with features that cater to various user preferences. From customizable setting to seamless navigation, it offers a delightful and personalized user journey. The Galaxy S23 Ultra showcases Samsung's commitment to innovation. Its groundbreaking features such as innovation software integration, cutting-edge hardware advancements, and futuristic functionalities establish it as a trailblazer in the smartphone industry. Slightly talk about pros and cons. It has outstanding camera capabilities, exceptional performance, stunning design, brilliant display, long-lasting battery life, and user-friendly interface. The high price point might be a deterrent for some, and while feature-packed, some users may find certain functionalities complex. When compared to its enemies and other flagship devices, the Galaxy S23 Ultra stands out prominently. Its enhanced camera capabilities, boosted performance, redefined design, and improved user experience set it apart in competitive smartphone landscape. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra boasts a plethora of impressive features, including an advanced camera system, powerful performance and immersive display, reliable battery life, fast charging, robust security measures, and an array of productivity tools designed to enhance the user experience. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra undoubtedly emerges as a top contender in smartphone market. Its exceptional camera capabilities, high-end performance, stunning design, and innovative features make it a compelling choice for users seeking a premium smartphone experience. Despite its premium price tag, its impressive array of features and overall performance make it a worthwhile investment for tech beginners and professionals. So this is the total review of Samsung Galaxy S23. If you want to buy, the link is down below description, and if you have any question, comment down below. Stay happy and stay connected.